teachers, participants and all the sport teachers. I welcome you all in today's Inter-School Math Pioneer Quiz under the event Kaushalya 2025, a kaleidoscope of creativity that promises to test the brilliance, creativity and knowledge of our young minds. It's an absolute honor for me to host this exciting and intellectually enriching event here at Shriyadevi Bhagirath Rathi Maheshwari Vidyapith School. As our school proudly celebrates its silver jubilee, making 25 years of excellence, a series of exciting events has been planned to commemorate this milestone. And this Math Pioneer Quiz is a part of that. Before we dive into the quiz, let's start the event with a lamp lighting ceremony, for which I will request our principal ma'am in charge, Mr. Vivek Pipalva, all the coordinators and entire maths team to come for lamp lighting. First of all, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Sarika Singh, because of whose foresightedness we could really conduct this intellectual program. Now, let me give you a brief overview of how the Math Pioneer Quiz will be unfolded. This quiz has been designed to test not only the knowledge of mathematics, but also your ability to think critically, analyze the problems, and work even under pressure. We begin with level 1, and that is the brilliance, which is a subjective exam, and you all understand it means you have to solve the problems. This level contains 5 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Time limit for this round will be 30 minutes. This round will have a set of challenging questions, and participants will have to solve and write their answer. Please listen to the instructions carefully. While solving the questions, all the participants have to show the calculations in detail. So kindly carry your stationery with you. After this round, the top 10 scorers out of 20 schools will be selected for the next exciting level. The first level will be conducted in our computer lab, for which I request all our council members to escort all the participants to computer lab. And all the escort teachers are requested to be here only. Council members, please. I would like to take a moment to address all the participants, all the schools. We understand that every team cannot wait for the next level, but it's a request to all of you. Whether you are in the next round or you are not, you are requested to stay here and witness the remaining challenge, the remaining schools, how they are playing, what kind of questions are asked, so that even for next time you could prepare yourself. Okay, so here are the name of the schools, those who have qualified for level 2. These schools are Alchemy School, AMNS International, Hills High, LB Savani International School, Lenses Army School, Maheshwari Public School, Podar International School, Unnati English Academy, Vashisht Vidyalaya, and SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya. Please give a huge round of applause for all these schools, those who have qualified for our next level. And for others, please do not get disheartened, do not get discouraged. No doubt you all gave your best. Okay, your presence will not only inspire the content, those who have reached to the next level, will also give you a chance to learn and prepare for the next time. Now let's move to level 2. Level 2 is Maths Sparks Challenge. It is an online MCQ test. Okay, here we will again check your speed, accuracy, and you will face a series of fast-paced questions, and the clock will be ticking, no doubt. Each team will be provided 20 minutes for 10 MCQs, and out of these 10, the top 4 scorers will earn their spot in the next level. And next, last in the next level is our prime pinnacle showdown, the final one. So again, sharpen your pencils as well as your mind for the next round. I request council members to escort the schools, those who have qualified for the level 2. Now is the time to come to know about all the 4 finalists, those who have secured their position. So I take their names again. The schools, those who are in the finale are Podar International School, AMNS International School, SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya, Unnati English Academy. Now I request all the 10 standard students of these 4 final teams to come forward. Only the 10 standard students of all these 4 final teams, please come forward. Okay, now to decide the team names, you have to select one chit from here, and whichever name comes on it, that will be the name of your the final name of your team, I mean. So here we go. Okay, AMNS is Team Beta. Please have a seat. SBR Maheshwari is Team Alpha. Unnati is Team Gamma. And Podar International is Delta. a warm welcome to our member of management committee, Shri Om Prakash Virenji here, who is here to witness this very energetic round, the finale round. So we are beginning with the final level, and finally in this, the prime pinnacle showdown. First I want the teams to come and take the hot seats. Yes, ANMS International, Kodal International School, Unnati English, Unnati English Academy and SBR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth. Please come and take your seats here first. Alpha, we have SBR Maheshwari, Beta, we have AMNS, Gamma, we have Unnati, and Delta, we have Kodal International. Okay, this is where the top 4 finalists will go head to head in a series of challenging questions. The pressure will be high, children. The questions will be tough, but the best one will emerge as victorious. So this round has been divided into 5 rounds. So let's start with the first round, quiz torsion. Okay, let's have the directions in this round. Each team will be asked 3 direct questions turn-wise. Every team has to answer in 1 minute. That means 60 seconds. 20 points for every correct answer. No negative marking. A vendor bought bananas at 6 for ₹10 and sold them at 4 for ₹6. Find his gain or loss percent. Time starts now, children. Yes, please. Yes, team Alpha.
Lost 10%.
Lost 10% is correct answer. Now moving ahead, I request all of you not to clap because it really diverts and distracts the contestants. It's a request. For Team Beta, the question is this. The cost price of 21 articles is equal to selling price of 18 articles. Find the gain or loss percent. Your time starts now.
The answer is a profit of 16.65% of 1/6.
Very good. This is correct answer. 16 and 2.3%, and we secured 20 points after this question. Moving ahead, for Team Gamma, we are having a man bought toffees at 3 for ₹1. How many for ₹1 must he sell to gain 50%? Team Gamma. Yes, please.
3 toffees.
It's the wrong answer. It's actually 2 toffees. Well, no problem. Coming to the next, to Delta team, we have a question. A book was sold for ₹27.5 with a profit of 10%. If it was sold for ₹25.75, then what would have been the percentage of profit or loss? Your time starts now.
Neither loss nor profit.
Neither loss nor profit is wrong. Answer is 3% profit. Okay, moving ahead. Question for Team Alpha. Second question is this. If A is to B equals to 8 is to 15, B is to C is equal to 5 is to 8, and C is to D equals to 4 is to 5, then what is the value of A is to D? Your time starts now.
A is to D is equal to 4/15.
4/15. Yes, a correct answer, and here they scored 20 points for this. Moving to next. Beta, your question is this. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equals to 4 is to 5, and C is to D equals to 6 is to 7, then what's the value of A is to B is to C is to D? Your time starts now. Yes, team leader.
Then A is to B is to C is to D is equal to 2.6 bar is to 4 is to 5 is to 6 by 7. Would you like that in a simplified
Yeah, please.
form?
Yeah, simplify the number.
Okay. In a simplified form, we can say that it will be equal to it will be equal to 56 is to 84 is to 105 is to 80.
I'm sorry, there is wrong answer here. You lose your points. Moving to the next team, but I said answer. The answer is 16 is to 24 is to 30 is to 35. Okay. Moving to next team. Question is, if 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C, then A is to B is to C equals to what? Your time starts now.
12 ratio 9 ratio 6.
Can you please repeat your answer?
12 ratio 9 ratio 6.
Sorry, it's not correct. It's a wrong one, so you can't score any point for this. Now, answer is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Now, the question for team delta is, if A upon 3 is equal to B upon 4 equals to C upon 5, then what is the value of A is to B is to C? Your time starts now. Time starts.
Answer is 20 raised to 15 raised to 12.
Can you please repeat it?
20 raised to 15 raised to 12.
Sorry, this is wrong answer. The correct answer is 3 is to 4 is to 5.
Every time whenever you give the answer, please give the answer in the lowest form. You are supposed to simplify the answers.
I hope you heard.
For upcoming round as well, give the answer in the simplified form.
So moving to the third set, question for team alpha. A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in half the time taken by A. Then working together, what part of the same work they can finish in a day? Your time starts now.
So working together, they can finish 1/6 of the work in a day.
Very good. They scored 20 points, which is please do not clap. I request all of you. Okay, moving to team beta. A man can do a piece of work in 5 days, but with the help of his son, he can complete it in 3 days. In what time can the son do it alone? Your time starts now.
The child alone can complete his work in 7.5 days.
Very good, it's a correct answer, and team beta has secured 20 points here. Moving to team gamma, the question is, A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, in how many days can B alone complete that work? Your time starts now.
6 days.
Very good, it's the correct answer, and team has secured 20 points here. Moving to the last delta team, here is the question. Worker A takes 8 hours to do a job. Worker B takes 10 hours to do same job. How long should it take both A and B working together but independently to do the same work? Your time starts now.
The answer would be 40 by 9 hours.
Can you please repeat?
40 by 9 hours.
40 by 9. Sorry, it's wrong answer. Answer is 4 and 4 upon 9 days. So, you couldn't score any point for this?
4 into 4 by 9, 40 by 9.
I'm sorry, yeah, you have given it teacher. Your answer is correct. Very sorry, the team Delta has given correct answer. So, they are scoring 20 points here. Okay, so at the end of this round, here is the score. Team Alpha is here with 60 points. Team Beta with 40. Team Gamma with 20 points and Team Delta also with 20 points. Now let's move to the next, and I invite Vivek sir to conduct the next step.
Very good morning to everyone. I, Vivek Palwa, will be the host for the next upcoming round. The name of the next round is a puzzler, where the sets of the challenging MCQs will be asked. Each team will be asked 2 MCQs, and 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer, and the same time limit for answering the question is 60 seconds. So here is the first question for the team Alpha. Find the value of 243 to the power n by 5 into 3 to the power 2n plus 1 divided by 9 to the power n into 3 to the power n minus 1. Your time starts now.
The answer is option C, 9.
Option C, 9 is the correct answer, 20 points to the team Alpha. The next question is for the team Beta. If 9 to the power n times 3 to the power 5 times 27 to the power 3 divided by 3 into 81 to the power 4 is equals to 27, then what is the value of n? Your time starts now.
Option C.
Option C, 3 is the correct answer, 20 points to the team Beta. Now the next question is for the team Gamma. 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 times 2 to the power n divided by 2 times 2 to the power n plus 3 plus 2 to the power minus 3. The value of this expression is, your time starts now.
Answer is option D1.
Option D1 is the correct answer, 20 points to the team Gamma. Next question is for the team Delta. Find the value of 243 to the power 0.13 times 243 to the power 0.07 divided by 7 to the power 0.25 into 49 to the power 0.075 times 343 to the power 0.2. The time starts now.
Option A, 7 by upon 3.
1 integer 3 upon 7, option A. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The correct answer is 3 upon 7. So no marks scored for the team Delta. Now here again, the question for the team Alpha is, the diagonal of a square is 4 root 2 centimeters. The diagonal of another square whose area is double of the first square is. And your time starts now.
Answer is option A, 8 centimeter.
Option A, 8 centimeter is the correct answer. 20 points for the team Alpha. Next question is for the team Beta. If the ratio of the area of two squares is 225 is to 256, then the ratio of their perimeter is.
The answer is option number C, 15 is to 16.
Option C, 15 is to 16 is the correct answer. 20 points for the team Beta. Next question is for the team Gamma. If each side of the square is increased by 56%, the ratio of the area of the resulting square and the given square is. The time starts now.
Option D, 9:4.
Option D, 9 is to 4 is the correct answer. 20 points to the team Gamma. Here is the last question for this round for the team Delta. The ratio of the square to that of the square drawn on its diagonal is. And your time starts now.
Option B, 2 is to 3.
Option B, 2 is to 3 is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is 1 is to 2. So here is the end of the second round. The score are as follows. Team Alpha is leading with 100 points. Team Beta is just behind with the 20 points. That is, score of the Beta team is 80 points. Team Gamma with 60 points and Team Delta 20 points. Now I would like to call Sunil sir for the upcoming rounds.
Okay, here we are starting with the third round, which is called Mathomania. So let's have the directions for this. There will be 5 questions for each team, and this round is divided in 5 sub-rounds. In each round, 1 question will be asked to each team. 20 points for correct answer and no passing is allowed. Now in this, the first is, who am I? Each team has to select one number from 1, 2, 3, 4 and photo of mathematician associated with number will be displayed and respective team has to answer that whose photo that one is. Team with highest points will get chance to select first, as we can see Alpha team, followed by other teams as per their score. 20 points for correct answer, but here is the point, minus 10 for incorrect answer. So please be careful while giving the answer. Maximum time limit is 15 seconds and again passing is not allowed. So Team Alpha, as you have secured maximum points, so which number you would like to go for out of 1 to 3, 4?
Sir, 1.
First number. So please, can we have the, where is the picture? The time starts now. Oh, sorry, time up. So here, no points to you. Coming to the next team, Beta, please select the number. 4.
Number 4.
Number 4. Now please. The time starts now. It's a wrong answer. So minus 10 points for incorrect. This is Brahmago. Okay, now Gamma team. Which number you would like to go for? We are left with second and third.
Number 3.
Number 3. Your time starts now. Time finished. I'm sorry, you do not have. This is photo of Archimedes. Now, last team Delta, you are left only with this second number picture now. Your time starts now.
Euclid.
Very good, it's correct answer. So the team has secured 20 points here. Now I invite Vivek sir for the next round.
So the name of the next round is Crack Me If You Can. A twisting puzzle will be asked to the teams round-wise and 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer and minus 10 points will be there for each incorrect answer. So all the teams, please be very careful before answering the question And the time limit for this particular round is 45 seconds. So the question for the team Alpha is, in a meeting of 6 doctors, P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting in 2 rows facing north-south. P sits facing north at one end of the row, Q in the middle of the row facing north and is exactly opposite to the T. R sits immediately left of the T, U sits second to the left of the P. Who among the following is sitting exactly opposite to the S if doctor in both the rows are facing each other? And your time starts now.
Dr. P.
Dr. P is the incorrect answer. -10 for the team Alpha. The correct answer was Dr. U. The next question for the team Beta. Among P, Q, R, S, T and U, R is taller than P and U. S is shorter than only T and Q. If each of them has a different height, who among them will be the third from the top when they are arranged in descending order of their height? Your time starts now.
S.
S is the correct answer. 20 points for the team Beta. Next question is for the team Gamma. There is a queue against the railway ticket counter. The passenger A is 9th from the front and another passenger B is 6th from the back. If the third passenger C, who is exactly in middle of A and B, is 20th from the front, then how many passengers are there in all? Your time starts now.
Answer is 25.
25 is
35.
35. 35 is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 36. -10 for the team Gamma. The last question for the team Delta. In a row of girls, Monica is 5th from the left end and Sonia is 6th from the right end. When they interchange their position, Monica becomes 13th from the left end. What will be the Sonia's new position from the right end? Your time starts now. Sorry, time up. The correct answer was 14th from the right end. So no marks scored by the team Delta. Now I would like to call Sunil sir for the upcoming round.
Moving ahead, we have next Textomania. One mathematical question will be asked as per class syllabus. 20 points for correct answer. No negative marking. Maximum time limit will be 60 seconds. Passing not allowed. Here's the question for team Alpha. X and Y are two cylinders of same height. The base of X has diameter that is half the diameter of the base of Y. If height of X is doubled, the volume of X in terms of volume of Y is dash. Your time starts now. Yes, it's correct answer. So team Alpha has secured 20 points here. Moving next, question for team Beta is, the radius of a wire is decreased to 1/3 and its volume remains same. The new length is how many times the original length? Your time starts now.
We believe the answer is 9 times.
Yes, it's correct answer 9 times, and here team Beta has secured 20 points. Moving next to team Gamma, the question is, if each edge of a cube is increased by 25%, the percentage increase in its surface area is dash. Your time starts now. Sorry, time up. Now you can't answer. And the answer was 56.25%. Moving to the next delta, your question is this. 3 cubes of iron whose edge are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted and form a single cube. The edge of a new cube is dash. Your time starts now.
The edge of the new cube would be 12 centimeter.
12 centimeter is correct answer, and here he scores 20 points. Now for next, I invite Vivek sir.
So the next round is, the name of the round is Sudoku. So Sudoku, a 3x2 grid will be given. You are not supposed to turn it. As soon as I say, then only you are supposed to turn the paper. A Sudoku is provided, the 3x2 grid. You are supposed to write the numbers from 1 to 6, row wise, column wise, in a 2x3 grid. Each team has to solve the Sudoku in the fastest time. Once you have completed, you can raise your hands to submit the Sudoku. If the Sudoku is correct, the team will be awarded with 20 points. The team solving second will be awarded with 15 points. Team solving third will be awarded with 10 points. If suppose the first team has submitted the Sudoku and the Sudoku is incorrect, then the second team will be given the priority that they will be able to score 20 points. So now I would request all the team members to turn the table and you can start solving Sudoku. The time starts now. The time limit is 120 seconds. I request audience to please maintain the silence so that contestant can concentrate. I request council members, please see to it. The decorum of the auditorium should be maintained. Others can also solve. Okay? So all the teams has solved the Sudoku correctly, but the 20 points goes to team Beta, those who have solved the Sudoku first. 15 points will be awarded to team Gamma, and 10 points will be awarded to the team Alpha and Delta. Both have submitted at the last. So 10 points will be awarded to both the teams. Now the next round will be a 10-gram round. Till then I give the instructions so that they can listen. So 10-gram is a Chinese geometrical puzzle in which the 7 different shapes will be provided to you. Each team will be provided with 7 different shapes. These shapes consist of 2 triangles, small triangles, 1 medium-sized triangle, 2 large triangle, a square, parallelogram. Each team has to arrange these 7 pieces to get a triangle. We are going to provide you 7 pieces, and you have to join these 7 pieces to make a triangle. And all the pieces should be utilized in that triangle. So maximum time limits will be 2 minutes for this round. The team solving first will get 20, second 15, and third will get 10 points. The team who solves the first can again raise their hands to submit their answers. Wait for my instructions to start. Wait for a minute. Yes, all the teams have received. They have to use the 7 pieces and they have to make a big triangle. All the 7 pieces should be utilized. Your time starts now.
Sorry.
Timer. So none of the team is able to make the 10-gram. I'll show you the solution. Vinod sir, please correct all the 10 grams. This was a correct solution to make the bigger triangle. So unfortunately, none of the students is able to score the points in this round. Next round will be a buzzer round. So by the end of the third round, The scores are Team Alpha is on 120 points. Team Beta with 130 points. Team Gamma with 65 points. And Team Delta with 70 points. Now the next round will be a buzzer round. Each team will be provided with a mobile phone. First, we will test the buzzer. Sunil sir will give the instructions regarding this round. So please listen the instructions carefully.
Okay, let's quickly start. The fastest finger first. Here are the instructions. Please listen to this carefully. A question will be fired and the team who presses the buzzer first will get the opportunity to answer first. Please remember each team is provided with a buzzer. Before the start of any question, buzzer must be green. Please check that. It must be green. If it is not, then announce it clearly to us. Okay? Total 6 questions will be asked in this round. 20 points will be awarded. I'm sorry, we are not going for 6 questions. Total there will be 3 questions. So you have to be very careful to give the answer. 20 points will be awarded for each. Okay, let me continue with the instructions at least. 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer, minus 10 for incorrect. So please be careful while doing it. After pressing the buzzer, team has to answer immediately. You will not get any time limit for that. If not answered correctly by first team, then question will be passed to the second team who had pressed the buzzer, but choice to answer the question will be open for that second team again, if they ought to give answer. 10 points for correct answer for second team if they give, and if it is incorrect, they will lose 5 marks. Right? All the 4 teams? Okay. The first question is, in a certain code language, Ya, La, Di means hair is black, Mo, Sin, Na means blood is red, and Mo, Pi, Di means hair is brown. What is the code for red? Team Beta.
Say.
Spell?
S-E. Say.
Yes, it's correct answer. So 20 point goes to Team Beta. Now, I hope the buzzers are green. Please check again. Is it? Okay. All ready? Fine. Second question is, if each letters in the English alphabet is assigned an even numerical value by giving A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, and so on, what would be the total of the word lady when similarly coded? Team Alpha.
The answer is 84.
It's a correct answer. Team Alpha has secured 20 points again. Now, teams, please check your buzzers again. Are they green? Okay, I'm starting with the third question. A woman says, Raman is the husband of only daughter of my mother. How is that woman related to Raman? Team Beta. Team Beta.
That woman is the wife of Raman.
Yes, it's correct answer. Team Beta has secured 20 points. So moving next. I invite Vivek sir to conduct the next round. So here, okay, let's have the score first at the end of this round. So at the end of round 4, Team Alpha is having 140 points. Team Beta with 170 on the first place. Team Gamma 65 and Team Delta is with 70 points.
So here we come with the last round of our maths pioneer, the deciding round that is fast and furious. which means the rapid fire round. Each team will be asked questions back to back for the 90 seconds, and the team has to answer the correctly. If they don't know the answer, they can just simply say the pass so that the next question can be asked. Each school has to select one representative who is going to answer the questions.
Excuse me, just a note. The teammates get prompt the answer, right?
Sorry?
The teammates get prompt.
Yes, teammate can help the representative to solve the answers, but only one member is allowed to give the answer. So that representative will speak the answers, other team members meanwhile they can solve the questions. If they know the answers, they can give the answers. If they don't know answers, simply say pass. The questions will be fired for the 90 seconds. So team alpha, the first will go with the team alpha. So who is going to say the answers? The person who is going to speak the answers, they have to stand and say the answers. Okay. Shall we start? Yes. So here we go with the first question. You can start the time. The ratio of 30 paisa to 4 rupees is
1%.
correct. Convert 1 is to 5 into percentage.
20%.
Correct. 20% of 80 is
16.
correct. Side of a square of a volume is 216 centimeter cube is
36.
incorrect. The number 1 upon 150 is a terminating or non-terminating?
Not terminated.
Correct. The point of intersection of all the medians of a triangle is called?
Centroid.
Correct. The square of 125 is?
Pass.
What is the first odd composite number? First odd composite number?
9.
Correct. 1 meter cube is how many liters?
1000.
Correct. Probability of 53 Mondays in a non-leap year?
1%.
Correct. The supplementary of a complementary angle of 60 is?
150 degrees.
Correct. If two triangles are congruent, then they are always similar. True or false?
True.
Correct. The sum of ordinates of the point 3, minus 4 and minus 2, minus 3 is?
-7.
Correct. The number of legs of 10 hens. This question I complete because I have started with. The number of legs of 10 hens and 4 cows are?
180.
Sorry, incorrect. So team teacher, let's start with team teacher. Here we go to the questions and your time starts now. 62% of 50 is?
31.
Correct. What is an even prime number?
2.
Correct. Number of edges of a pentagon or pyramid?
6.
Incorrect. Roman numeral for 1000?
C.
Incorrect. 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many liters?
1 by 1000.
Decimal.
0.001.
Correct. The distance of the point 3, 4 from the origin?
5.
Correct. Centroid divides the median in the ratio?
2 by 3.
Incorrect.
2 is to 1 ratio.
Incorrect. Probability of 53 Mondays in a leap year?
2 by 7.
Correct. If complementary angles are equal, then each angle is?
45.
Correct. If the ratio of the perimeter of two similar triangles is 3:4, then the ratio of their sides is?
Ratio of what is?
Sides.
Quotient.
The ratio of the perimeter of the two triangles is 3:4. The ratio of their sides is?
3 to 4.
Correct. Equation for x-axis is?
Y is equal to 0.
Correct. Two cubes having volume in the ratio 1:8, then the ratio of their surface
1:2.
Incorrect. If sin square x plus cos square 30 is equals to 1, then x is?
Pass.
How many faces a triangular prism have?
4.
Incorrect. We go with the team gamma. And your time The time starts now. The smallest cumulative prime number is
11.
correct. Number of vertices of a triangular pyramid is
4.
correct. Roman numeral for 500
D.
correct. Probability of face card in the pack of 52 cards. The probability of face cards in the pack of 52 cards.
Skip.
Co-interior angles of the two parallel lines in the transversal are always equals to
1.
correct. The diagonal of the numbers are equal to or false.
False.
Correct. The point of intersection of all the three altitudes of the triangle is called
7.
false. Equation of y-axis is
S equals
correct. If the height of the cylinder is double and its radius is half, then the new volume will be correct. If sec x minus tan x is equals to 2, then sec x plus tan x is equals to
Skip.
sum of all angles of an octagon is
Skip.
which are the first three triangular numbers.
Skip.
The ratio of the volume of the cylinder and the cone of same height and radius is
1/3.
wrong. Now we'll start with the last King delta, and your time starts now. The number of edges of a square pyramid. Wrong. Roman numeral for 100.
C.
Correct. 1 kilometer is equals to how many meter cube?
0.001.
Incorrect. Probability of impossible event is
0.
correct. Sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon with n sides is given by
Skip.
opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are always
180.
correct. The zeros of x square minus x are zeros are what are the values?
Either 0 or minus 1. 1.
Correct. In which quadrant does the point minus 4 comma imply?
Second.
Correct. Sin theta is equals to 1 by 2, then cos theta is equals to
2/3/2.
correct. Number of edges of an octahedron.
Skip.
If the base of the triangle is double and the height is half, then the area will incorrect. The sum of n consecutive odd numbers is
And plus 1.
no incorrect. The degree of a constant polynomial is
1.
incorrect. The square root of 0.004 is
0.0.
correct.
So to solve this problem and to decide the winner, we are going to have a buzzer round again. You will be provided with only one question, and remember, as soon as you press the buzzer, you have to give the answer immediately. So as for that, we will decide who will be the winner. I hope, please check the color, is it green or not? Okay, so should we go for the... Okay, so let's have a checking round. Okay, students, please listen. If you press a buzzer and you give the wrong answer, then automatically the next team will be the winner, because that will be a negative mark. Okay, and you both are standing at the same score. So please solve it correctly, perfectly, and then only press the buzzer. So I hope it is green, right? So here we are going to flash the question on the screen.
Team Alpha.
Sir, team Alpha.
Team
50.
Wrong answer.
50 is the wrong answer. So here itself the point goes to team beta, and
So the correct answer was 100. The rule was followed, the difference multiplied by 5. The numbers which are given in the lower circles, the difference of that number multiplied by 5. 50 minus 10 is 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. 25 minus 5 is 20. 5 times will be 100. And again, 15 and 35, the difference is 20. And 5 times will be 100. So here we got the winner for the Max Pioneer Season 3 is AMNS School, Team Beta. A big round of applause for the Team Beta. They have worked really very hard this year. At the second position, we have Team Alpha, SBR Management Vidyarthi. The third position, we have the team Delta Udar International. A big round of applause to them also. They have also worked really hard. And the fourth position, we have Team Gamma Unnati English Academy. The winners, all the participants, I would like to extend my heart gratitude to the management of the SBR Maheshwari, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Sarika Singh, all the team members, those who have worked really hard for this Max Pioneer and make it a great success. Thank you for all the audience, all the students of grade 8 and 9.
India will come forward and request Principal Ma'am to do the honor of giving trophies and certificates. Please give a huge round of applause for our runner-up, SBR Maheshwari Vidyarthi. I request escort teacher to come with them. It's seeming to me that history is repeated. Because it was the last time, the same was the result. But really a proud moment for all, not only for those who secured any place, but also those who stayed here. They saw this tough competition. I'm sure they would have learned a lot of things for the next time. Please give a huge round of applause for this one, SBR Maheshwari Vidyarthi. Winning moment, proud moment. Moving ahead now, I would like to cover the winner team of this quiz competition. Yes, AMNS International. I request the escort teacher to accompany them. Team Beta. Congratulations to the champions. You have all shown incredible mathematical abilities today, and that's why you are standing here. The hard work for the winner of Math Pioneer Quiz